Hey, welcome back to Moomba. Today I want to show you how to create a DynamoDB table. So from the console home page, click DynamoDB, click Tables, click Create Table, give it a unique table name. For partition key, create a unique name here. Here I just have partition key 1 or part key 1. Here are your primary data types: string, binary, and number. Click Create Table. This confirms that the table was created successfully. It'll take about 15 or 20 seconds. Click the table name. Okay, here you can see that there are no items in that table, which makes sense because we just created it. So click Explore Table Items. Click Create Item here or here. From here, when we created the table, we gave it the partition key, this name. So you have to have this with any new items that you create. So here, provide a value for this item. Select the type that was selected was a string. This was also defined when we created the table, so we can't change that. Click Create Item. And now you can see the new item that was created. If you want to create a new item with another column, click Create Item. Okay, now we can see that in addition to the partition key, we also have a new column I'm calling ID with a value. And here again, we have our basic data types: string, number, boolean, binary. One I forgot to show you. Back here, we have the Create Item button. You want to click that. Okay, so here we can see the new item that I created with that partition key and the ID. That's pretty much all there is to creating a table and adding items. So let's talk, a little bit about why DynamoDB is, really good. You can see how easy it is to work with, create items. It's flexible. So if you don't know every column that you're going to have for your table, you can always come back in and, add the column when you create the item, which is cool. So if you had to use traditional tables with a query-based, system, a relational database system, you can't do this because the column names are structured. So you have to tell it up front what those column names are, what the types are, how wide they are, and you're basically you're set with those. Like once that table is created, you have to have, and you've added data, you have to have those columns. You can add and drop columns, but it takes more work. And if you have data in those columns, you have to remove the data first. So it's sort of a pain. But with DynamoDB, since it's considered a NoSQL database, things are a lot easier. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I may do another video where I show you how to query the data, and that's probably all you need as far as DynamoDB to get started.